Hi, welcome to Everything We Like. Today we're testing out a new RC truck that my brother got for Christmas. Let's see how it goes. We're going to set it up some jumps and we're going to drive it around. We're going to do some cool drone shots, cool slow-mo shots, and regular shots. Hope you like the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do stuff. Thanks for watching.